This is the face of someone who lost all the audio to this file. So I'll try and talk you through it. I'm not used to doing this without actually being live, so we'll do what we can. So basically, it's about if you don't drink wine or you don't want a wine holder using a real bottle of wine, you can use this as a different type of decoration. So a simple sort of string of lights with these sort of fake corks with an on-off button. You can get them anywhere. I will try and find a link, but basically in the small dollar shops or pound shops. And then obviously the wine bottle holder, which I did do a video on a while ago. I need to do some more for Christmas, so that'll be coming up separately. But this one really is just a simple video. So there's the end product. Because there's no wine in the wine bottle, it makes it a little bit more difficult for stability. So you need to change the size of the holder. Again, I'll cover that in the video about the holder. So some hot glue, simple enough. Just hold the cork slightly higher than where it's going to sit. Drop the hot glue around the edges. Drop the cork back in, or the fake cork, and wipe the excess off. Obviously, leave it to dry, and you're done. It's that simple. I think these string lights were something like £1, $1.10, $1.20. So really, an empty bottle, those lights, and the stand obviously is 6 to 12, depending on which type you're making. 6 to 12 inches of 4x2. It's quite a good ornament, quite easy to make. This one was a bit quickly made, but there we are. So very, very easy. If you don't have a glue gun, any sort of super glue type thing, don't really need accelerator, but any super glue type thing would work. As I say, it's not as heavy as it should be, or it would be with wine. So this particular one took a couple of seconds to balance, and I think it would just be easier to change the size for these type of things because you haven't got the weight in the bottle. But it looks really good, especially with low lighting or in the evening. It's quite a good looking ornament addition to a wine rack, or if you've got a wine cooler, or anywhere really. Not a hell of a lot of light, but it certainly looks good when it's darker. So that was the wine holder without the, here I am, that was the wine holder without the actual holder, but the wine bottle and the lights. And the wine holder video is coming up. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Cheers.